This thing it'll fill out when you start using it. It's a 1000D Cordura, so it's super rigid right now. But as you use it, it'll break in and it'll fit to form real nice. This thing's pretty solid, triple stitch all throughout corners. Dialed in. It's treated 1000D Cordura, so it's almost waterproof. And it's made for one of these. Boom. Put a ladder in if you want to. There you go. Sneaky little spot. Put some cash in there, whatever. Here's a pepper spray. Yeah, it'll fit in. Not bad. It'll just get better with time. Yeah, plenty of spots in there, plenty of room. Cool.